Are you fucking serious with me? Katherine Johnson got arrested. She didn't even do anything wrong. Oh, I don't give a fuck if she spanked Dave. She was punishing him because he did something he was not supposed to. Oh no 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 no. No the fuck I will not let Katherine suffer in jail. I'm going to bail her out. I will not let Dave divorce Katherine. Never, ever, ever. Oh, Officer Otis, you are so gonna fucking pay for this.